Marielle, Mom and a Girl with Plans, and I'm going to show you some of the sticker books I got in my back to school box from the Happy Planner. There are some teacher Disney stickers as well as some fun villain stickers. So let's check out the teacher Disney ones and then we'll check out the villains. So this one is I'd say teacher specific type of book. It's like a whimsical Mickey and Minnie, and it's got a bunch of cute little, I love this, school is cool, in the squares, lesson planning, the little checklist, but it looks like kind of note paper. See the good, and I love that the checklists are little Mickey heads. So a lot of people have asked for specific back to school Disney. So I think this one is for those that love Disney. These teachers, they're going to love this. And then it's the who, what, where. Love all the fun colors. Oh, the purple mini bow. I can't even. So this is a bunch of fun icons. Okay, yeah, I like this. So look at that little report card and scissors, eraser, checklist, you know, clipboard. I'm like, what was it? The coffee with the Mickey marker and, or I guess highlighter and pencil. We've got the little planner, paper clips, and ruler. Those are so cute. And then we've got some flags with little Mickeys. Don't forget parents meeting, test today, no school, faculty meeting, grading papers, parent meeting, test, yeah, grading. These are really cute. I really like the colors in this. They're not just your traditional like red and blue and bright yellow. There's like these fun like greens and purples and pinks in it. Circles, and these are just fun. I love how they added this black, like, because that line doesn't come off. It's just printed on there. It just makes it fun to look at. That's really cool. Then we've got some clear stickers with some gold foil. And again, a lot of these are teacher specific, not all of them. This one's cute, planning for bright futures. And then we've got some more. These two are domed. Got a cute little, oh, I love that one. With all the little Mickey heads, with the pink little Minnie and the green Mickey. Okay. And then we've got all the different little icons and bullets. And then double boxes, due date, homework, more who, what, wheres, notes and big ideas, today's top 3. Those are great. Oh my gosh, these are cute. It's like, it looks like a little drawn Mickey with the pencil. You could like write in it and put little notes in there. And then clear stickers with Minnie and Mickey. And then the page flags, but this time with some gold foil. And then those, you know, marker, like things for like tests and faculty meetings and all of that, but with gold foil. Some fun decorative with flags in the center. I like this one. Be a highlight in someone's life today. Yay, more of these, but they're different because we've got some gold foil on them as well. I like him holding the highlighter. And then books and just eraser, just different things. I like the little paper with the Mickey and the star on it as well. Then we've got some pencils and Mickey heads. These are great to just, these are already done, like to do, jot it down. But these you can create your own. Some double boxes and bullets. Oops. Circles and page flags. I love that, like he's looking up at you. Ooh, gold foil Mickeys. Love it, love it. These are the different, you know, icons with, but they also have like things like to do and noted. Oh my gosh, so cute. The dash line. Instead of the pencil like drawn, it's the dashes and it's the scissors to cut out. So these are sick day, fun day, no school, testing week, no school, big day, and no school. So they're just markers like for different events through the week. And then this is decorative ones, small steps every day, fun day. And then winter break, fall break, holiday vacation, spring break, summer vacay, and school's out. Those are cute. I feel like this should be flipped. I know. No school, first day, last day, no school. Those are cute. So those are very teacher specific, but I just really like all the colors. And then let's take a look at the big one. These are fun. So these are on clear. This is clear. I love that with all the rays around it. Now I have gold foil. I like that too. See the good. I just think the colors are really fun. Messy classrooms are where the fun stuff happens. True. I think oh, and then there's big ones cut out. That's so cute. Love this. Do all things with kindness with the like Mickey ears. One day at a time. Okay, think big, start small. So we've got these like lines, kind of more, these look more modern to me. There they are again, this time without the foil. Look at the red bow, it's so good. Alrighty, every day is an adventure. That's probably, I love that. And this too. Teach happy. Oh, some silhouettes of Mickey and Minnie together. That's cute with all the little Mickey heads. Teach happy. And then big round stickers. And gold silhouettes. These are on paper, so they're not sheer. These are these might be my favorite. The big circles. Those are cute with all the expressions. Oh, there's more. Spring break. With all the different important weeks. And different things like sick day and no school, testing week. These are so much fun. Alrighty, let's check out the baddies. Let's check out Villains. Okay, this one is also for the big, but you can put it in any planner. Ooh, okay. These have silver foil. I don't think it's hollow. It doesn't look holographic. I believe it's just silver. It's cool. I like how it looks splattered. I love the ink look on these. So we've got Hades, Scar, Ursula, Cruella, Maleficent, and the Queen herself. So, oh, and then we've got it with just black. Love the quotes. If you watched the other one, you saw the planner, and it's got these for each of the different characters. Ooh, they're little silhouettes with a quote. And here they are, some full-size boxes. Ooh, oh my gosh, this is funny. So current mood, meh, okay, villainous, extra. I love it. Okay, then we've got Hades, and it's got some blue foil. Domed ones with his little face. Villainous plans. Memo to me. Feeling wicked. So here's some of his little decorative ones. Wow, those are really cool. And they're all blue. Okay, next we've got some pink for Maleficent. Strong at heart. That's so good. I really love just this, like, I don't know, there's something about that, the watercolor look to it. Just, I don't know, it totally goes with Villains. Feeling wicked, don't care. And there's Maleficent. All right, then we've got Ursula and the purple foil, which is perfect. Life is full of tough choices, isn't it? I think that's right. When she's telling her she will take her, she can go up and walk on land, but she has to give up her voice. And then we've got the purple Villainous plants. It's like a shell. You can see like the shell from the necklace. Love it. I honestly can't pick a favorite. I love them all for different reasons. Oh, but I do love Cruella. I just like her whole style. Ugh, Okay. And then Sorry Can't. Villainous Plans, Feeling Fabulous. Maybe it's the jewelry. Maybe that's what I like about her. Okay, then we've got Scar. I don't know, though. Scar's just mean. He's so mean. To me, he might be the meanest one of them all. I don't know. He's mean. No, I don't know. Okay, I tried to behave, but I got bored. Villainous Plans. So we've got Scar with his green. Yeah, I just think he's super mean. I guess they all are mean. Who am I kidding, right? Oh, it does say the Evil Queen. But I was always told she was just officially called the Queen. Now I'm going to have to check that out. Good to Be Bad. And then her pages also have that purple look. I love the Poison Apple. Oop, there she is with the apple. That's the last page. All right, let's check out the big ones. Oh, these are so fun. I like the silver, like, splotches on it. And the silver foil. And then here we have them. These don't have the foil. I am who I am. Your approval is not needed. Oh. Okay. Just Fabulous, Strong at Heart, Up to No Good, Fearless, Dream Big, and Villainous Vibes. Then we've got some quotes. Look at that big Villainous Vibes. That's so fun. I just think it's really fun to mix these oversized stickers with your standard, you know, classic size. These are fun. Black and white. Ooh, these are cool. It's got black watercolor, but then it's got silver. And it's not a hollow silver, it's a true silver. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my goodness, look at Maleficent. That's really cool. I'm trying to see this Dream Big, yeah. So it's got that black watercolor, look. And we've got Hades and his blue foil. Maleficent with pink foil. Hot pink, I'd say. Magenta. Ursula with purple. Cruella with red. Scar's the green. And this bright purple is it says the Evil Queen. And it says it right there. So I think I was misled. I was told, actually, officially, she's not. She's really just the Queen. Nope. Evil Queen. All right, so that is the villain stickers and the teacher Mickey and Minnie stickers. Remember, these will be available May 3rd on the Happy Planner website. Thanks so much for watching, and I would love it if you'd hit that like, subscribe, and reminder bell so you can get notifications when I post new videos. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great week.